Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions without breaking your brain or your bank. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. That's right, it's time to take to the skies and capture some amazing footage. We're comparing the Holy Stone HS430, which we'll call Holy Stone, and the Tamiz drone with camera for adults 4K, which we'll just call Tamiz. So, buckle up, because this is going to be one heck of a ride. First up, let's talk cameras. Holy Stone comes with a 1080p camera that's perfect if you're looking to capture some decent videos and photos without burning a hole in your pocket. Reviewers say it's good enough for Instagram, but not quite Hollywood. On the other hand, Tamiz is armed with a 4K UHD camera and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. It's like having a tiny Christopher Nolan in the sky. The 110 degrees field of view will make you feel like you're shooting the next blockbuster. Reviewers appreciate the camera quality, which is great for capturing detailed footage. Now, let's talk battery life. Holy Stone comes with two modular LiPo batteries, giving you nearly half an hour of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the extended flight time and recommend it for both beginners and experienced users. Tamiz doesn't specify its battery life in the description, but with all those fancy features, let's just say you might want to keep a charger handy. Reviewers have noted that while the drone is durable and fun, it only comes with one battery that lasts about 20 minutes, so extra batteries are a good investment. Holy Stone is so compact, it fits in the palm of your hand when folded. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, small, handy, and surprisingly powerful. Reviewers love its portability and ease of use. Tamiz, on the other hand, comes with a futuristic foldable design and a carrying case. It's like the James Bond of drones, stylish, sleek, and always ready for action. Reviewers appreciate the carrying case and the lightweight design, making it perfect for travel. Holy Stone is packed with fun features like high-speed rotation, circle fly, and even gesture control. You can toss it into the air to start flying. Perfect for those dramatic action movie-style takeoffs. Reviewers find these features fun and engaging, especially for beginners. Tamiz offers one-touch takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode, making it a breeze for beginners. Plus, it has gravity control and 3D flips. Reviewers say it's easy to learn and maneuver, even if you're new to drones. Now, let's talk about the bottom line. Holy Stone comes in at a wallet-friendly $77. It's like the thrift store find that turns out to be a hidden gem. Reviewers appreciate the value for money, especially given its features. Tamiz, however, is priced at $99. A bit more expensive, but with that 4K camera and extra features, it's like splurging on a gourmet meal. You get what you pay for. Reviewers feel it's worth the investment for the advanced features and high-quality camera. Overall, reviewers find the Holy Stone HS430 to be easy to use, reliable, and great value for money, especially for beginners. On the other hand, the Tamiz drone with camera for adults 4K is praised for its stunning camera quality, advanced features, and portability, although some users wish it came with additional batteries. So there you have it, folks. The Holy Stone is your go-to for affordability and portability, while the Tamiz is your high-end option for stunning visuals and advanced features. Whether you want to capture your cat's epic backyard adventures or film your next indie masterpiece, both drones have got something to offer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below and let us know which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.